Hello sports fans, welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Today we're going to do something just because this pasta needs milk. I've got milk, it's good for another week, 5 days. But I'm going to be doing the Safeway brand Alfredo. Okay, and we're going to be adding in some chicken breast. So first thing I'm going to do, get the pot. Let's see what we need. 1.5 cups water, half cup milk, 1 tablespoon of butter. All right, don't drop your pasta. 1, doesn't have to be perfect. 1.5. If you want it to be perfect, it can. Half cup milk. That'd be good for a breakfast. Using a fork to get a tablespoon of butter. Let's get out a paper towel for miscellaneous things. Stirring bring to boil. That's going to boil quick, and then we put this in for 7 minutes. I don't know who put this Voodoo Ranger here, but let's get that out of here. Now, I never liked canned chicken. I'm not a big fan of tuna, and it always tastes like either tuna or cat food. Never been a fan of cat food or tuna. So you want to leave on the cap. Drain that out. Then you want to add a little water. Let it soak for about 10 seconds. Put that lid back on and strain it out. And do that again. I'm picky, but not that picky. If you want, you could put this in like another container, rinse it out thoroughly. But I found that typically, gonna need another one of these. Does the job for me. So let's get this going. The key to the chicken is, when I get, where's my salt? Key to living in an RV is knowing where everything is. So I'm gonna make, after I get the noodles all ready and let them pretty much sit for their last couple minutes, I'm gonna add in the chicken. Now the key to getting this to not taste like cat food, after draining it, is salt and pepper. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's freshly ground black pepper in an RV. And you know what? I'm going to throw this in there, but let's go ahead and put the garlic powder in and the onion powder in. Now this guy is ready to go. We're going to get this boiling, which it's getting close to. And when it's all finished, some delicious Parmesan cheese, or as my dad used to call it, stinky feet cheese. Once this gets boiling, just going to throw this in, and for 7 minutes, basically I set my timer for every 1.5 minutes. And I come several times, and I'll stir it for a minute and go. The last 1.5 minutes, I'll throw in the chicken with the seasoning in there, and that'll cook up nice. We'll have some nice chicken Alfredo. So it's the boring part. Oh, it's boiling. Let's get this quality pasta, I'm sure from Italy, right in there. We'll see you in 7 minutes. I have to clarify. Once it's boiling, then you throw in the pasta, stir it get it boiling again, then turn it down to simmer, which on my stove is the lowest it will go on the gas stove. And now we're going for 7 minutes. So the last minute, I threw in the chicken and the seasoning that was in the can. Now it's been a good minute. We're turning this off. We're going to let that sit for 2 minutes. Well, I'm going to let it sit for about 10. I don't like things too piping hot. Then I'm going to put in some Parmesan grated cheese. I know it looks low, but you know me, I got a backup. And no, I'm not going to dirty a dish. We're going to eat right out of that on a hot plate mat. So bon appetit. And dinner was delicious. So hope you like my cooking video here. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, we'd love to have you as part of the community. And go out there, be positive, be nice, be active.